मित्रांनो, आपण मागच्या पिरियडला सम न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ थेरी ऑफ बीट्स हे घेतलेले होते. टुडे वी हॅव टू सी द व्हॉट इज बाय स्टेशनरी वेव्स. स्टेशनरी वेव्ह म्हणजे काय? आपण प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्ह पाहिलं. The waves which are continuously travel in the given direction of propagation of wave are called as progressive wave. नंतर आपण प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्हचे टाइप पण पाहिले. Progressive waves are of two types. One is transverse waves and दूसरा है longitudinal waves. तर आज आपण what is stationary waves? Stationary wave कशाला म्हणतो आपण? Stationary wave means तर आपण स्टँडिंग वेव्ह म्हणतो. Stationary wave means when two identical progressive waves traveling in the opposite direction, having same period, same wavelength, same frequency, and are in a same medium along the same path. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. Means, so these are the one wave and another waves are this. हे दूसरी wave है. Such wave travel are in the direction and another wave travel are in the directions. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. So these are the vibration of particle. So these are the formation of stationary waves. In these stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes. Node and antinodes. म्हणजे काय? साधा एखादा एक्झाम्पल घेतला आपण. Whenever we given a one strings and string will be tied to the two rigid supports and plucked at the centers. Then this wave, it will reach at the rigid supports and they will reflect back in the opposite direction. So incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. At the rigid ends, there is a node is formed, and at the center, there is an antinode is formed. Therefore, one progressive wave travel are in the direction, another, these are the incident waves, these are the reflected waves. And incident waves and reflected waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. ज्या ठिकाणी amplitude 0 असेल और मिनिमम असेल त्याला आपण नोड म्हणतो. आणि ज्या ठिकाणी अँप्लिट्यूड मॅक्झिमम आहे देयर इज अँटीनोड इज फॉर्म. ते आपल्याला पुढे पाहायचंच आहे या ठिकाणी आणखी. पण स्टेशनरी वेव्ह मीन्स व्हेन टू आयडेंटिकल प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्ह आर ट्रॅव्हल इन द सेम पाथ, having same period, same wavelength, same frequency, and same medium having same path. but only direction is opposite. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. Then stationary waves are of two types. एक आहे ट्रांसवर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्स. ट्रांसवर्स स्टेशनरी वेव्स आणि दुसरी आहे लॉन्जिट्युडिनल स्टेशनरी वेव्स. पण स्टेशनरी वेव्ह पाण्या होण्यासाठी व्हॉट आर द कंडिशन, काय कंडिशन असल्या पाहिजे त्या ठिकाणी. द कंडिशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्ह इज त्याची स्पीड सारखी पाहिजे, त्याची वेव्हलेंथ सारखी पाहिजे, त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी सारखी पाहिजे. दे ट्रॅव्हल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट पाथ हॅव्हिंग द सेम मीडियम and but direction is opposite. These are the conditions of stationary waves. So transverse stationary wave means are formed due to the superposition of two identical progressive waves. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the transverse stationary waves. Then second one is longitudinal stationary waves. So longitudinal stationary waves are formed due to the superposition of two longitudinal waves are in a same straight path and oppositely directed, and they are interfere with each other, obtain the longitudinal stationary waves. For example, vibration of air column when pipe is closed at one end. So there is a longitudinal stationary wave forms. So these are the types of stationary waves: transverse stationary waves and longitudinal stationary waves. The next point is analytical methods. आता analytical method म्हणजे काय आहे ठिकाणी. आपण सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव्ह पाहिला, पण प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्ह पाहिलं. स्टेशनरी वेव्ह मध्ये we have to consider the two identical progressive waves traveling are in the opposite direction, having the same period, same amplitude, same frequency and same wavelength, are in a same medium along the same path. And these two waves, they are interfere with each other, obtain the stationary waves. So in the last period we have to see the equation of simple harmonic progressive wave is y equal to a into sine of 2 pi small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda. This is the equation of simple harmonic progressive waves. Using this equation, we can write when wave travel along the positive direction of x-axis, the displacement of that wave is y1 equal to a into sine of 2 pi small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda. when the wave travel along the positive direction of x-axis. These are the equation number 1. When the wave travel along the negative direction of x-axis, he wave string fixed right, he rigid support side. Such wave travel are in the directions, and another wave travel are in the directions. एक पॉजिटिव है, एक नेगेटिव है. y1 is equal to a sin 2 pi small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda. These are the wave travel along the positive direction of x-axis. And such wave, progressive wave travel along the negative direction of x-axis. The displacement y2 equal to a into sin of 2 pi small t upon capital T plus x upon lambda. Equation number 2. एक वेव पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शन मध्ये मूव्ह होते, दुसरी वेव निगेटिव्ह डायरेक्शन मध्ये मूव्ह होते. The resultant displacement of these two waves y is equal to y1 plus y2. Resultant displacement of these two waves is equal to y1 ची आपल्याला किंमत माहित आहे, त्याला आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 3 देऊ. y1 ची किंमत आहे a into sin of 2 pi small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda plus a into sin of 2 pi small t upon capital T plus x upon lambda. These are the value of y1, these are the value of y2. So is common. Sin of 2 pi small t upon capital T minus x upon lambda plus sin of 2 pi into small t upon capital T plus x upon lambda. Then using the trigonometric relation, sin of c plus sin of d equal to 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. कोणते इक्वेशन वापरायचे आपल्याला? sin c plus sin d equal to 2 into sin of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. Using this equation can be written as y equal to 2 into a sin of 2 pi whole divided by 2 आणि 2 या ठिकाणी घेतला आणि नंतर c plus d t by t minus x by lambda plus t by t plus x by lambda. These are the value of c, these are the value of d. Into cos of 2 pi या ठिकाणचा 2 मी तर डिवाइड घेतला आणि जे शिल्लक t by t minus x by lambda minus of या संख्येला मायनस ने पण गुणाकार करून घ्या t by t minus of x by lambda can plus minus minus. Then हे 2 to get cancel, हे plus x minus x by lambda आणि plus x by lambda cancel, हे t by t, हे t by t minus cancel. Y equal to 2a into sin of t by t plus t by t is 2 pi t by t into cos of, here 2 to get cancel, cos of minus 2 pi x by lambda. cos of minus 2 pi x upon lambda. But cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 2a sin of 2 pi t upon capital T into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. But capital A is the resultant amplitude of these two waves. A equal to 2a into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. Cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. म्हणजे याची आणि याची किंमत आपल्याला काय घ्यावं लागेल हे घ्या. So y equal to a into sin of 2 pi t upon capital T. This is the equation of motion in SHs. Therefore, in this equation, the term x is absent. X is absent. Therefore, the wave cannot move forward or backward motions. That is the stationaries. Therefore, in stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes, what is the condition of node? What is the condition of antinodes? First, we have to see the condition for antinodes. Antinode ची कंडिशन आपण बघू. आपण अँटीनोड कशा म्हणायचं मग? ज्या ठिकाणी अँप्लिट्यूड मॅक्झिमम आहे, amplitude is maximum, such point is called as antinodes. Amplitude is minimum, such point that is called as node. So amplitude maximum means A is equal to plus or minus 2A. Plus or minus 2A. Therefore, A is equal to plus or minus 2A. Put this value in this equation. A equal to 2A cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. Then plus or minus 2A equal to 2A into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. Then this should be cancelled. Cos x upon lambda equal to plus or minus 1. 2 pi x upon lambda equal to is cos inverse of 1, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. Then the distance between two successive antinode is x. X is equal to 0 multiplied by lambda by 2 pi, pi multiplied by lambda by 2 pi, 2 pi multiplied by lambda by 2 pi and 3 pi multiplied by lambda by 2 pi. So x is equal to 0, second is lambda by 2, then lambda, then 3 by 2 lambda and so on. This is the distance between two successive antinodes. X is equal to 0, lambda by 2, lambda, 3 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2 and so on. the distance between two successive antinodes means lambda by 2 minus 0 equal to lambda by 2. Lambda minus lambda by 2 equal to lambda by 2. So the distance between two successive antinode is equal to lambda by 2. नोड म्हणजे काय? Node means a point at which amplitude is 0 or minimum. Such point that is called as node. म्हणजे काय? A is equal to 0, amplitude is 0. So the equation is A is equal to 2A cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. A ची व्हॅल्यू मी 0 लिहिली. 2A cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. Then cos of 2 pi x upon lambda equal to 0. Equal to 0. So 2 pi x upon lambda equal to cos inverse of 0 is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and so on. Then x is the distance between two successive nodes. X equal to pi by 2 into lambda divided by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 into lambda divided by 2 pi into 5 pi by 2 into lambda divided by 2 pi. So pi by get cancelled and x is equal to lambda by 4. Pi by get cancelled is 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4 and so on. These are the distance between two successive nodes is equal to lambda by 4, 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4, but distance between two successive nodes is lambda by 2. So these are the distances. या दोन्ही मधला डिफरन्स घ्या लॅम्बडा बाय 2 येईल. या दोन्ही मधला डिफरन्स घ्या लॅम्बडा बाय 2 येईल. So the condition for antinode आणि nodes. Analytical मेथड मध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं? एक y1 ची व्हॅल्यू पाहिली. y1 with the displacement of first wave when wave traveled in the positive direction of x axis. दूसरी वेव नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन ऑफ x axis y2 is equal to a sin 2 pi small t upon capital plus x by lambda. दोन्हीचा रिझल्टंट घेतला, व्हॅल्यू पुट अप केल्या, एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युला वापरला आपण आणि युजिंग दिस ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फॉर्म्युला दिस इक्वेशन कॅन बी रिटन ॲज इन दिस फॉर्म अँड सो y is equal to a sin of 2 pi t upon capital T into cos of minus 2 pi x upon lambda. So cos of minus theta is cos theta and so y is equal to 2a sin 2 pi t upon capital T into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. But in this equation 2a into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda is the resultant amplitude of two waves. Therefore a is equal to 2a into cos of 2 pi x upon lambda and y is equal to a sin 2 pi t upon capital T. This is the equation of motion in simple harmonic equations. So there are two conditions. Current stationary waves consisting of node and antinodes. Node means amplitude is 0 are called as nodes and amplitude is maximum is the antinodes. Condition for antinode is this: a is equal to plus or minus 2a and आपण व्हॅल्यू काढली शेवटला x इज इक्वल टू 0, λ/2, λ3, λ/2 आणि कंडिशन फॉर नोड इज a इज इक्वल टू 0 और मिनिमम किंमत ठेवून टाकली आणि x इज इक्वल टू λ/4, 3 λ/4, 5 λ/4 and so on. The distance between two successive node or two successive antinode is equal to λ/2.